Going on YouTube, Centex Collector here with a real quick video for these door lock covers. I traded in the Durango for a 2020 Ram 1500 Limited. Did the same thing on the Durango. So here's the finished product. Simple, cheap. So there is before, and basically just slap it right on here. And boom. Try and get that black out effect throughout the whole truck. And you still got this. I guess you could paint that if you wanted to, but this was just quick and easy. I paid maybe $7 for a pack of 6. So just wanted to show you guys something quick and easy and cheap for your vehicle, whether it's the Durango or this Ram. Works on Charger, pretty much probably anything really Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler related. These would work. I'll throw a link down in the description. Like, comment, subscribe. JJ out.